Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix logo link is not working. Logo is not clickable in WordPress website because we are using WP mobile menu plugin. So this is our mobile menu icon. So when we click on it, now you see mobile menu open. When we click on logo, now you see not clickable. So we are going to fix it. So we are using this plugin WP mobile menu, the mobile friendly responsive menu. So this WP mobile menu plugin has its own header. So header is our lab. We are using one header and this mobile menu icon has another header. So both headers are overlapping. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So right click on it, mobile menu, and then click on inspect. So we are going to add some custom CSS. Now you see inspect element open. So when we hover div class mobile menu header older mobile menu, so this class highlight section on screen as you see. So this header or this class overlap our current header. So that's why logo is not clickable. So we are going to fix it. And then you see CSS. Now you see mobile menu header holder. So we are going to add custom CSS and you will find that CSS in video description or in comment section. So we are going to set width and then we are going to set right in CSS. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste. Now you see we set width 80%, right auto, and then you see important. So this is our class mobile menu header holder. Now you see and then click on publish. Now publish done. Go to mobile page again and refresh the page. Now first open mobile menu. Now you see. Now close and then click on logo. Now you see page is loading. Logo working. So we set width of this header and we set right alignment. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.